In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this, what I call a Sputnik pattern, because it reminds me of the satellite. This cube in a cube pattern, large spiral pattern, this ring pattern, which you could also call a cube in a cube in a cube pattern, this checkerboard cube in a cube pattern, cross pattern, 3-color checkerboard pattern, small spiral pattern, advanced checkerboard pattern, anaconda pattern, this super checkerboard pattern, python pattern that continuously snakes around the cube, corner cross style pattern, spot pattern, inverted column pattern, pyramids pattern, which is the triangular version of the Rubik's Cube, diagonal pattern, stripes pattern, this corner cross pattern, snowflake pattern, multicolored checkerboard pattern, cube in a cube in a cube pattern, on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube.